Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by gathering the two essentials, a stick and a paint bottle. Once you have both, move directly to the cauldron so you don't lose them to enemies or timeouts. Make sure to pick up an empty bottle if you want to transfer liquids cleanly, because spilled paint can waste attempts. While walking, check easy spawn points for paint and avoid crowded areas. This keeps your items secure. Quick collection matters. Proceed to the mixing step as soon as you arrive. Now you'll perform the combining. Open the cauldron and put the paint in first, then add the stick. You do this because liquid before tool yields the paintbrush reliably. If the game doesn't accept the paint, pour it from an empty bottle into the cauldron, then add the stick. That forces the recipe. Make sure to pause briefly, about 1/2 second, between inserts so the server registers each item. Once the effect triggers, the paintbrush should appear. Pick it up quickly. Finish by grabbing the paintbrush immediately. Items can despawn or be taken by others. If nothing spawns, empty the cauldron and repeat the exact sequence. Paint first, then stick. That reset often clears glitches. When you still get failures, try relogging or joining a different server. Network hiccups or crowded servers cause missed combinations. If it's a persistent bug, report it to the developers with details. Remember why.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.